Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Insider. In this video, we will learn how to convert 8-digit numbers to dates in Excel. We will go through 6 different methods for you to choose from. Let's dive into it. We have a dataset containing employee information. There are employee names, the cities from which they originate, the departments in which they work, and their birth dates. However, the birth dates are in numbers. Excel does not recognize them as dates, and they are not very readable either. Let's convert those to the date format. The date function in Excel is used to combine 3 separate values into a single date. We can extract the day, month, and year from the number in the birth date column and combine them using the date function. Here's how to do it. In the E2 cell, write the following formula. Here, in the D2 cell, the year is the first 4 digits of the number. Therefore, we can use the left function to extract the number. The left function extracts the first characters from a string. Here, we need 2 arguments. The first is the cell where the string is located, and the second argument is the number of characters to extract, which is 4. Next, we need the mid function to extract the month. The mid function returns a specific number of characters from a text string from the position you specify. Here, the first argument is the cell reference to the number. We need a position starting from 5 where the month begins, and we require 2 characters for the month. Finally, the right function needs to be used for the days. The right function returns the ending characters from a text string. Here, the text string is D2 and we need 2 characters for the date in the date. We wrapped all of this function using the date function. Now, if we press enter, we can see that the 8-digit number has been converted to a date. Finally, we can use the autofill feature to fill the column. The text function can be combined with the DATEVALUE function to get the job done. The text function is used to format a value using a format code. The DATEVALUE function converts a text value to the date format recognizable by Excel. Here, in the E2 cell, we will write the formula. Here, the text function takes 2 arguments. The first one is the value that we want to format, which is from D2. Then, we format it using the format code that basically puts a slash between the year, month, and days. As we have wrapped it using the DATEVALUE function, it converts the text given by the text function to an actual date. Now we can see that we get the date from the number. However, the format code we used here will only work if your source number has year, month, and day sequentially. If the sequence is month, day, and year, you need to use another format. Let me show you that real quick in another cell. Now that we have changed D3, if we autofill using the E2's formula, we can see that it throws an error. Now, we need to change the format code for D3. Now that we have changed the format code, the date should be formatted correctly. You can also replace the slashes with hyphens and it will still work. Now we can copy the formula from E2 to E4 and autofill the rest of the values to fill up the column. Instead of using a formula, we can show Excel how we want to format the number, and Excel will recognize the pattern and fill the rest of the rows for us. To do so, we need to put the dates in the desired format in another column. We need at least 2 examples for Excel to learn from. In the E2 and E3 cell, we need to write the dates manually. Let's do that. Here, we are putting the month, day, and year sequentially so that Excel can understand the pattern. We need to do the same for E3. Now, we will let Excel handle the rest of the cells. Considering that we are in the Home tab, we head to the Editing group and open Fill. Now, when we click on Flash Fill, Excel will automatically fill the column without any intervention. The Text to Columns wizard can help us format the numbers to date. First, select the numbers and head to the Data tab of the ribbon. Then, from the Data Tools, click on Text to Columns. Make sure that delimited is checked and click on Next. As we don't actually have delimiters in our data, uncheck everything in the delimiters group and click on Next. Now, from the column data format, choose Date and choose the format our numbers are in, which is YMD. Now, if we click Finish, the whole column gets formatted to the date format. Now we are going to the advanced section of the video. Did you know that you can use Power Query to transform data? In this method, we will do just that. First, convert the dataset to a table by selecting the whole dataset and going to Insert, then Table. You can also press Ctrl+T to do so. Here, make sure that My Table has headers checkbox is checked and then press OK. Now, head to the Data tab of the ribbon. From Get and Transform Data, click on From Table/Range. Now, in the Power Query Editor window, select the birth date column as we need to modify that column. From the Transform tab of the ribbon, go to Text column and select Split column. Here, choose By Positions. Now, we need the separations from 0, then 4, then 6. This is because the year starts from position 0, the month from 4, and the day from 6. If we had the day first, then the month, then the year, we would have written 0, 2, 4 instead. Click OK. Now we can see that we have got 3 separate columns here. Select these 3 columns by holding Ctrl and clicking on them. From the Transform tab again, head to Text column and select Merge Columns. From the separator, choose Custom and write a /. Give it a new column name. Click OK. Now we have a merged column. From the same Transform tab, in the Any Column group, change Data type to Date. Now we need to bring the data back to the worksheet. Go to Home. From Close and Load, click on Close and Load to. Select New Worksheet and click on OK. As you can see, we have the table in a new worksheet with the formatted dates. If you are comfortable with Visual Basic, you can use some code for the number to date conversion. First, we need the Developer tab in Microsoft Excel. Go to File and select Options. Click on Customize Ribbon and from the right panel, select Developer and click on OK. Now we have the Developer tab on the ribbon. Choose the numbers that you want to convert and from the code group, click on Visual Basic. In the Visual Basic window, go to Insert, then Module. Write the code in the module. Here, first we declare the variables that we need for the procedure. Then, we create an input box to get the date format from the user. If the format is wrong, we use a message box. Then, we process the cells of the worksheet for year, month and day based on the date format. Finally, we put that in the cell and change the number format of the cell. You might want to change the number format if you want it to be different. If the date is invalid, we can use a message box to warn the user. As we have added VBA code in the file, we cannot save it normally, because if we do that, the code will be lost. Go to the worksheet again and from File, select Save As. Here, choose Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook and click on Save. Now, the code is saved with the worksheet. From the Visual Basic window, click on Run, then Run sub/user form. It will ask for the format the date is currently in. It is already in the correct format, so we can click OK. If we go to the worksheet now, we can see that Excel has now changed the numbers to our desired date format. So there we go everybody. We have learned 6 methods to convert 8-digit numbers to dates in Excel. You will find the Excel file including the VBA code in the video description. Let us know which method you liked best in the comments. Visit Excel Insider for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching.